Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need. App installed, account created, and 2FA enabled. Now start by creating your main notebook and a daily template. Name the template clearly and include timestamp and tags fields so entries stay searchable. Once done, set your default time zone and sync frequency. Make sure backups are enabled. You'll use this core structure every day, so keep it simple and consistent. Begin an initial entry to confirm sync and template behavior before moving on. Now refine how you capture and retrieve. Create consistent sections, daily, projects, ideas, logs, and apply tags for people, status, and priority so searches return precise results. Use templates for meetings, habit tracking, moods, and expenses to save time. Once templates exist, automate imports from your calendar and set recurring entries for routines. Make cross-notebook links for project context. This keeps related notes connected. As you work, test search queries and adjust tags so finish by scheduling a weekly review to archive completed items, tidy tags, and update templates based on what actually worked. Export important notebooks as PDF or Markdown for portability, and keep a CSV of logs if you need spreadsheets. If something goes wrong, like sync failures, first check your 2FA status, then storage quota and conflict resolution settings. Resolving conflicts usually merges duplicates or preserves the latest edit. Finally, test a restore from backup so you know your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.